Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Roblox disconnected, please check your internet connection with error code 277 fix. First method is right-click network connection, click troubleshoot problems. Select Ethernet, click next. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type ipconfig, space, /flusDNS. Type ipconfig, space, /registerdns. Type ipconfig, space, /release. Type ipconfig, space, /renew. Type exit. Restart computer. Second method is disable or quit antivirus, then try to open Roblox. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.